I typed one sentence into Smartsheet, and 90 seconds later, it had built me a tracking sheet, a report, and a live dashboard. It even wired up 2 automations on its own. If you are on a Pro plan, you already have this feature waiting for you. Here is the news. Build a workspace with AI is now generally available in Smartsheet, and it is not locked behind enterprise pricing. It is live on Pro plans on both the legacy and user subscription models across the United States, Europe, and Australia commercial regions. You describe your project in plain language, and Smartsheet builds the whole workspace: sheets, reports, dashboards, and automation. So where do you find it? 2 entry points. First, right at the top of your home screen, there is a new banner that says, "Build a workspace with AI." Second, open the Create button in the left panel. Look below More Options, and there it is. If you do not see it yet, make sure you are on a Pro plan or above. Now, watch a real, unedited build. This screen suggests examples for your industry, but here is the expert move. Name your exact columns right in the prompt, then hit Build Workspace. And now Smartsheet goes to work in front of you. In real time, watch the panel on the right. First, the workspace itself is created. Then a sheet called Hardware Inventory, filled with 8 rows of realistic sample data, so you are not staring at an empty grid. Then a report for active and upcoming maintenance assets. And here is the part that saves the most time. 2 automations, built automatically. One notifies all users when status changes to in maintenance. The other reminds the owner 7 days before the due date. And finally, a full dashboard assembles itself with live counts, percentages, and the next maintenance date. Nobody touched a formula. Here is the left panel. You get the hardware inventory sheet, the maintenance report, and the dashboard, all organized together. The sheet has every column we asked for: asset ID, type, location, status, owner, custodian, and due date. The dashboard gives you assets by type, asset count by status, and distribution by location. Real charts wired to real data. And check the Automation Center. Notify all users when status changes to in maintenance. Trigger, actions, and recipients, all configured. Everything here is editable. This is not a locked template. It is a normal Smartsheet workspace. You can reshape however you want. Now, 3 tips from someone who builds Smartsheet solutions for a living. These will make your AI builds dramatically better from day 1. Tip 1. Treat the prompt like a spec, not a wish. Name your columns and automations. Vague in, vague out. Tip 2. Always pick the location before you build. Dropping new workspaces into the right folder from day 1 keeps your governance clean. Tip 3. Treat it as a first draft. The AI builds the skeleton. You add formulas, references, and permissions. 90 seconds from one sentence to a working system. That is the new baseline for starting projects in Smartsheet, and it is only getting faster. Try it on your next project, and comment what you asked it to build. If this saved you an hour, subscribe. See you in the next one.